Welcome to Drive Legacy, your go-to channel for classic car revivals, modern twists on vintage icons, and everything automotive that sparks emotion. Today, we're diving into something truly special, the return of an icon. The 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. If you're a fan of automotive history or just someone who appreciates beautifully designed cars with soul, then you're in for a treat. The original Karmann Ghia, produced between 1955 and 1974, was known for its sleek Italian-inspired bodywork paired with the reliable mechanics of the VW Beetle. It wasn't the fastest car on the road, but it had an undeniable charm, a car that was as much about style and identity as it was about driving. Fast forward to 2025, and Volkswagen has brought back the Karmann Ghia, reimagined for the electric era while honoring its retro roots. The new Karmann Ghia keeps the low, coupe-like silhouette that made the original such a head-turner. The flowing lines are back, with modern aerodynamic enhancements and LED lighting that give it a fresh edge. Volkswagen has clearly paid attention to detail, blending old-school elegance with cutting-edge tech. You'll see design cues like the rounded front fascia, minimalist chrome trim, and sloping roofline that call back to the original, but everything is executed with a 21st-century polish. Under the hood, or more accurately, beneath the floor, sits a fully electric powertrain based on VW's MEB platform. With a range of around 300 miles on a full charge and instant torque delivery, the new Karmann Ghia isn't just stylish, it's fun to drive, too. It comes in both rear-wheel drive and an optional dual-motor all-wheel drive setup, offering performance that far surpasses anything the original could dream of. Acceleration is surprisingly quick, with the 0 to 60 sprint clocking in under 6 seconds for the AWD version. Inside, the 2025 Karmann Ghia mixes nostalgia with futurism. A floating digital display spans across the dash, but the materials are a nod to mid-century design. Expect touches of wood veneer, brushed aluminum, and optional leather in retro colors like tan, ivory, or even that classic burnt orange. There are rotary dials with tactile feedback, evoking the feel of the original cockpit, but with the usability of modern tech. Volkswagen has also hinted at limited production numbers, at least for the launch edition, which will surely make this a collector's dream. There's talk of convertible and coupe versions, just like the old days, and even rumors of a sportier Ghia R version down the road. Pricing starts around $48,000, positioning it as a niche lifestyle EV, not just a commuter car. Ultimately, the 2025 Karmann Ghia is more than just a car. It's a story on wheels, a perfect blend of past and present. It captures the essence of what made the original beloved while evolving it into something fit for today's roads. Whether you're a longtime Volkswagen enthusiast or someone discovering the Ghia name for the first time, this car is bound to leave an impression. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our full walkaround and first drive coming soon.